Perhaps it's fame, perhaps it's pure luck. Either way, these 5 celebrities were able to get away with crimes that would have otherwise put them in jail. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to present 5 stars who have had run-ins with the law and got away with it. But before anything else, please leave a like on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell below so you won't miss our videos. Without further ado, let's hop on right to the video. Mark Wahlberg. In 1988, a young Mark Wahlberg assaulted 2 Vietnamese American men while attempting to rob a convenience store in his hometown, Boston, Massachusetts. Mark, who claimed being high on the drug PCP at the time, knocked one man, Than Lam, unconscious using a long wooden stick and punched a half-blind Army veteran, Johnny Tin, in the eye while trying to escape the police. When confronted by the authorities, the Transformers actor allegedly used racial slurs to describe both men. For the first attack, Mark was found guilty of violating the civil rights of his victims, and a civil rights injunction was issued against him and 2 of his friends. He was then charged of attempted murder for the second attack, but pleaded guilty to felony assault and was sentenced to 2 years in prison. Ultimately, however, the TED star only served 45 days behind bars. In 2014, when he attempted to have the second attack wiped from his criminal record by requesting a pardon, Mark expressed regret for his actions and the lasting damage he may have caused the 2 Vietnamese men. Since that time, I have dedicated myself to becoming a better person and citizen so that I can be a role model to my children and others, he said. Caitlyn Jenner. Caitlyn Jenner was cleared of any charges even after getting involved in a multiple car accident that resulted in the death of 69-year-old Kimberly Howe. The accident happened in Malibu in 2015, just months before she came out as a transgender woman. According to reports, the former Olympian and TV star was driving a black Cadillac SUV when she accidentally hit Howe's car from behind, pushing it into oncoming traffic where it was hit by another SUV. Howe died on the spot. Shortly after the accident, the father of sisters Kendall and Kylie Jenner released a statement expressing his sympathies to those involved in the accident and their families. She said, "It is a devastating tragedy and I cannot pretend to imagine what this family is going through at this time. I am praying for them." In the end, Caitlyn wasn't charged for her role in the accident, as not enough evidence was found to secure a conviction. The decision was welcomed by Caitlyn and her camp, who said they were heartened the district attorney agreed that even a misdemeanor charge would be unfair. They added, "A traffic accident, however devastating and heartbreaking when a life is lost, is not necessarily a criminal matter." Justin Bieber. In 2015, a man named Jeffrey Schwartz and his wife Suzanne filed a lawsuit alleging that they suffered emotional harm due to egging and other actions done by Justin Bieber when he lived next door to them in Calabasas, California. The lawsuit alleged that the Canadian pop star spit in Jeffrey's face and terrorized the Schwartz family with loud parties, drug use, and aggressive driving in their neighborhood. It also cited damage to the Schwartz's home after Justin hurled eggs at it in 2014. The Yummy singer, who was 21 at the time, pled no contest to the charge, but managed to work out a deal with the Schwartz couple, which involved him paying a total $80,900 in restitution, serving 2 years probation and completing 12 weeks of anger management, as well as 5 days of community service. Justin has moved to Beverly Hills in California since then. Snoop Dogg. In 1993, Snoop Dogg was arrested by the police in connection with the killing of a rival gang member, Philip Woldemariam, who was reportedly shot and killed by the rapper's bodyguard, McKinley Lee. At the time, Snoop was residing in an apartment complex in the Palms neighborhood in the West Los Angeles region, near the location of the shooting. After it was found that he was driving the vehicle from which Lee shot Woldemariam, both Snoop and his bodyguard were charged with murder. The 2 were ultimately acquitted in 1996, though, thanks to their lawyer, famed attorney Johnnie Cochran. Cochran is best known for his successful defense of American football running back O.J. Simpson, who was tried for the murders of his former wife Nicole Brown Simpson and her friend Bob Goldman in 1994. Lindsay Lohan. In 2011, Lindsay Lohan was sentenced to 4 months in prison for stealing a gold necklace worth $2,500 from a jewelry store in Los Angeles. However, due to prison overcrowding, the Parent Trap star wound up serving her sentence under house confinement while wearing a tracking monitor on her ankle. At the time, Lindsay was already on probation for 2 drunken driving convictions in 2007. Later in November, the actress was sentenced to additional community service and 30 days in jail after she failed to perform community service as part of the terms of her probation. But instead of serving another 1 month in jail, she served only less than 5 hours, again due to overcrowding. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we will be sure to catch you all in the next one.